Hello guys, good afternoon. And it's again rainy season. Drop by lang ta guys cause I'm hungry. So tanawa good when I eat sa kuan McDo. A lot of sauce gravy. I love gravy. So, di ba? Tanawa good. Sige lang ko gravy. Di ka makansi ang McDo anis. Sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna eat now. Even though it's cold, but kaon sa ata diri guys. And I love snack. For me, this is the best. One of the best fast food. Okay, fast jud siya guys. So look at this with ice cream. Ice cream is the best for cold season. Balik kay ko guys. And nagwait ko sa akong kauban. So while waiting, I'm gonna eat here. So, akong aura today is kind of colorful because when you see colorful things, mura sa siya ganang nag-rainy season. Charot. And walking sa mall, I'm here. So I'm gonna check my outfit for today. Just outfit. So yellow polo shirt. And this is my aura. Aura lang good guys. Even though it's raining outside. So selfie and video. Okay, just to check it out, memories, and you know, this make you feel fun. Fun lang ta guys.